YouTube, welcome back to this week's video. This is 2E0IQJ. So I've gone handheld with the camera because I want to show you my QRP Go kit I've put together. Now the rucksack here is the Icon rucksack that came free the other week with my Icon IC705. Now on the side of the rucksack you've got a big lump of plastic there. I'm not sure what that's for, and you've also got like loops here. Maybe that's to put an antenna in or something like that, or some radials, and it'll also go up to the top there, also go in the bottom down there. So you know what that's for? Post in the comments below. Now on the top of the rucksack you have a little hole here, because you can directly operate the radio via the rucksack, and you can plug in your cable there and then plug in another cable to the antenna. You can use the radio from the top here of the rucksack. And at the top of the rucksack we've got ourselves the radio itself. Now, it just about fits in with the stand on and the antenna socket there, the adapter antenna socket there, just about fits in. Bit tight, but you need to put in the antenna first, and then the other bit just fits in. Top of the rucksack, you've got some like foam pads there. We've got this thing here. Now what that does is allows you to use a grub screw, which is included in the rucksack, that's in my bag, and you can screw that through there and onto the radio, so you've got like a bit more secure with the radio. If someone tries to take it from you, you'd feel that if someone's tugging on the back of the rucksack. Here you've got a place for your call sign, and you've got your adjustable straps just there. Now in the main compartment we have this thing here, which is for Velcro, and it holds it in, all the stuff inside. We've got ourselves the microphone, got ourselves a nice lump of coax. One end's got BNC and one end's a PL259. We've got ourselves an antenna analyzer, and that's the Rig Expert AA230. We've got ourselves an antenna here for 270. Now that come off my FT817, works okay on 2 meters, but SWI is a bit high on 77, so I'm looking for a better antenna to take out and about portable. Maybe I'll try one in Bing for antennas I got, then tape measure antennas, or I'll make up a simple dipole for 2 meters and see what it's like on Simply Sems, and use that when I go portable. We have a telescopic whip. Now what we need to do with that one, you plug it into the radio, and you can test when you're out and about what the noise feels like or what the bands are like. Nothing worse than setting the radio up, all the antenna up and everything, and find out the band's completely flat. So that's why I take that with me, connect it to the radio socket, switch it on, and within seconds I can see what the bands are like. We have the slide winder coil, and mine is green. We also have the radials for the slide winder. The antenna we're going to use is the whip here for the slide winder coil. I did have the military whip, but the paracord or short cord broke. I'm not sure I've put that where I've put the antenna. I think maybe I left it in my last workplace. Someone did check for me, but you couldn't find it, so it must be at home somewhere. That just screws together. Now I've not done anything with this antenna as yet. And we've also got the grounding spike. So your coax goes in the bottom there, your coil goes in the top there, and that's where you can put the radials. So effectively when we go out and about, we're taking a rucksack and these two, and that's the whole of the setup. There's 40 meters and upwards. Now what antenna do you use for 270? Someone suggested a JPO antenna. Is there a better antenna than this I can use? Or should I try the Bing Food, which is what I want to try? Or should I try just making a simple dipole and fit it in the rucksack? Post it in the comments below. So that was a quick look at my QRP Go kit. I wonder whether it gets better and go out and about, see if I can make any contacts across the band. What's in your Go kit? Post it in the comments below. And if you use the Icon 705 portable, how are you finding it? I'd like to say thanks for watching this video. Happy New Year to you. I'll see you in the new year for another video. This is 2E0IQJ. 7 3s for now.